Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the app installed and ready. Install Data grant the required permissions, and why this matters. The app needs access to files and sensors to index data quickly. Once done, create your account and verify your email. Enable two-factor for better security. Then import a CSV or connect using an API key. Preview the first 100 rows to confirm columns and types, because correct types speed up analysis and prevent errors later. Now you focus on shaping the data into useful visuals. Select your dataset and map columns to types, dates, numeric, and text, because analyses depend on correct typing. Then add widgets, charts, tables, and filters. Set a default time range so everyone sees the same baseline. Once done, create calculated fields and apply aggregates and groupings. This transforms raw values into meaningful metrics and reduces clutter, making trends and anomalies simple to spot. Finish by polishing and distributing your work. Arrange dashboard tiles for clear flow, then save the workspace with a descriptive name and set view or edit permissions for collaborators. Export snapshots or CSVs and schedule automated reports, daily or weekly, so stakeholders get updates without manual steps. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Check the API key, network connection, and confirm the data schema matches expected column names, because most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.